This is a new module. It's part of a new programme within SDCA, and it brings together practice-based skills, knowledge and principles that are underpinned by research and theory that we've developed here at the design school. This theory and this research combines with the knowledge that we exchange with our new students and give them something which they're hopefully going to take into industry in future years.
In this project we were assigned to pick two words, one an adjective and an art movement, and try to connect them together and make a connector block that captures both of these words together, and try to make it look like it. Try to make it easy to know what it is by just looking at it.
Well, I'd never really used foam before, so that was a quite steep learning curve. It's a bit of a difficult material to work with because it can be going well and then suddenly it crumbles, which is a bit annoying.
We learnt teamwork and how to work as a group. We learnt lots of different forms of ideation and different forms of perspective.
We learn about colours and some perspectives such as two-point perspective, how to sketch, and we also learn about how to work with a lot of tools and how to be very hands-on with all our models.
My favourite part was sort of learning to actually work with the foam in a way that could make it neat, because I worked with it a little bit at A-level, but we didn't really get a chance to fully sort of build up our skills. So by building those skills here, I feel more confident going into the next module.
I mostly enjoyed the sketching, as it was really good to ideate and develop my ideas. Even the ideas I didn't think they were that great, they eventually became something I really liked.
In terms of what they're learning, it's really about semantics and semiotics. It's those practical skills of technical drawing, as well as model making and making skills, which are absolutely critical to any industrial designer or designer in industry.